we taking contract here or?
The mark trade.
Contract here.
Shit.
Okay, it's right next to
Uplink
us.
station located. Get your squad mate there so they can transfer their intel.
What the fuck?
What happened?
I did not choose the right loadout.
Same for me. It started without the
Secure
pre-log.
the
Yes,
area until the
enemy.
upload is complete.
What time?
I'll just leave now and I'll come back. There's peas in the house. Huh? Chicken and salad, okay?
Transfer complete. Well done.
Was he a bot?
No, no, that was a
तब दूध
player.
पीते
Man.
जी बस करो सुबह से
He
दूध
just
दूध
messed
दूध
up.
Hey, aimbot Naida.
Let's take the. What is here? Is this refuel income?
Hey, Backman, there is a guy aimbot. Okay, with sniper. Be careful in that area. There is some enemies here in this
Oh, he's
area.
coming. He's dropping from the parachute, right?
Enemies dropping into the AO.
I don't know where he went. I just saw him drop from the parachute.
Downed him.
You got him?
Be advised, an enemy squad is tracking your location.
Hey, இங்க இருக்கானா? Shit.
மேல இருக்கானா?
3-4 பேர் இருக்காங்க. மேல வந்துட்டாங்க.
Oh god.
Aimbot ஆதா. அதான பாத்து.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Slum mom.
Backman, behind you. Bullets are coming.
Wait, fine. She's fine. Only because fever is not. See, when I touch her, no, it feels very warm. But when I see the temperature, it's not there.
Fuck man, I'm just surrounded.
Yeah, she is having pain. Come.
I killed one.
She's definitely having pain. अच्छा mom.
He's shooting from.
अच्छा okay.
He's here.
Careful, area's hot.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
He fell sick immediately after the vaccination or what?
I downed one guy here.
Same thing for her, By actually, when I just touch her,
Please मेरे ठेवा
also
सकाळी
she's screaming and
खाऊन
she's
घे.
crying. But her body is warm, very warm.
Somebody was
Is
here.
inbound.
Oh yeah, I see.
Area's
What
hot.
Imran is saying is she's having fever from inside. Maybe that's why temperature is not showing like that. So
Oh shit, somebody else down. Two of them.
she's not cranky. She's playing it out. But by mistake, somebody touches her hand and she's crying like
Somebody
anything.
above?
No, they were
Yeah,
down
and I
in that
couldn't even
direction.
change her clothes.
Where my legs
What
are
means
facing
if
in
I
that
try to
direction, there were
pull
two of
the
them.
top up, no,
Be
she's
ready,
crying
they'll come
like
anytime.
anything. She's not
Hey, they are
letting me
coming on
touch.
top.
Yeah,
Shit. Ah, I didn't clear up.
challenge. But the lady told unless you get temperature on the thermometer, don't give like that. She said. So therefore we are monitoring
Almost
her very
got him,
well,
man. Acha mom, then I'll do that. She's not eating. That
Vertical
no,
recoil
the
கம்மி
doctor also
பண்ணுங்க.
told. for next 2-3 days she'll be like this one.
ஏடா அது மாறுதுடா.
She may not eat proper. She just want milk.
தெரியும் எனிமீஸ் வந்தா கொஞ்சம் ஃபிளின்ச் ஆகும்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
I'm coming.
No, but swimming is not. Swimming is in next month, no September. 14th, I guess, for swimming class. But
யார் அடிச்சாவனா நீ தான்
classes
அடிச்சாவனா?
and all this whole week I'm not
ஏடா.
going to take her anywhere out.
ஷிட்.
Yeah.
டேமேஜ் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கான்.
எப்பறா அது கரெக்ட்டா தான்டா.
Yeah. Even this Wednesday,
பிளேட் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு திரும்ப
I don't see him, man.
I'll just keep her
The
in the
bunny
house.
guy on the roof with a Morse rifle.
Hmm.
மட்டமா கிடந்து இதுக்கு நான் விட்டு செத்து அடிச்சிருவான் போல. மார்க்ஸ்மேன் ரொம்ப
நான் ஒரு
கடுப்பு.
What is
attachment
plate?
சொல்றேன் மார்க்ஸ்மேன் ரைஃபிள். நீ அப்போ ட்ரை பண்ணி பாரு.
Yeah. She's doing Haddu. When she does Haddu, no, she'll stand, she'll talk. Her face is still, I can make it up. Yeah, no, I'm telling you like that. I just, okay. She is fine, mom. She is literally like me, very jovial. She doesn't
No
take
ammo.
anything seriously. Yeah.
Be advised, enemies deployed a buy
Shooting.
station.
Naughty. I'll see, mom, you know how she is like that. If she's little cranky, maybe in a day or two we'll come and see you all. Huh? Acha, baby? But she's not crying and all that. Alhamdulillah.
What?
She, like,
The
no problem
hell?
at all. The only thing is, by mistake,
Hackers.
the hand. Finish. She
For
cries
sure,
like
speed
anything.
hacks.
That will be the
I saw. Speed hacks.
Yeah, for us itself, we get pain in the arm, no?
Haymaker doesn't run
So
so
that is
fast,
the
man.
only thing. Plus,
No.
two in the hand, this arm, left she gave one. You know, mom, I forgot. Indra. Yeah. Surprise, and I couldn't say. I said, I'm going out. Amma, this one, this naughtiness will not go.
ஏய் அடிச்சாடா. ரிவைவ் பண்ணு.
So,
பனியா?
I said, I'm not seeing.
பண்ணிடா.
I went out. So
Part
Imran and
படிச்சு
Sarfraz
இருக்கு.
there in the, this
இங்க வாடா.
thing, you know, hall. I mean, in the room. And when I
Go,
came
go.
out, Imran, she was crying.
Thanama
So
இருக்கு.
we took her to the other area, playing area. There, I was like, what happened?
சரி விடு.
I was like, I
என்னதான்
cannot
revive பண்ண
see her
முடியும்.
in pain.
இந்த ஒரு சின்ன
I said,
பக்
"It's
ஃபிக்ஸ்
okay,
பண்ண
Imran.
முடியாது அவனால.
I thought you're more bold. With
வராங்க,
me. I was like,
வராங்க.
no, I
கீழ
cannot
வராங்க.
see Alisha
Video.
crying. I cannot see her in pain. Amma! Look!
டோமேட் போட்டான்.
Yeah. For this and all, Dr. Joy tells don't stop her, mom. Can you see? We are suffering! Amma!
அடி அடி அடி.
Hey! Yeah.
இன்னும் 2-3 பேர் வராங்கடா.
பா எவ்வளவு பேர்டா?
But yesterday her weight
3 பேர் வந்தாங்க.
7.6 and
நான்
height
அடிச்சேன்ல
was
அப்படியே பேக்ல
70
வந்து நீ
was
அவனை
so I
அடிச்சிருந்தீனா
asked the
சூப்பரா
doctor,
இருந்திருக்கும்.
is it
அவன்
fine? She
எஸ்கேப்
said,
ஆயிட்டான்.
for her thing, she's doing excellent. She said.
4 பேர்.
Yeah, normal height like that. Normal way, nothing to worry.
ஒருத்தனை
she's
டெர்மைட்
all
போட்டு
fine.
கொன்னுட்டான்.
See, by chance, if I just pull her, no, she'll cry. Ma. So I'm
அவன்
holding her
அவன்
by
கூட
the
டவுன்
this
ஆகலடா.
side.
நீ தெர்மைட் போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் உயிரோட தான் இருந்தான். நான் வந்து அடிச்சு காலி பண்ணேன்
Yeah,
ஷாட் கன் வச்சு.
little bit also.
ஒரு 30 ரவுண்ட் மேட்ச்
இங்க ஏதோ சண்டை நடக்குதுடா.
ஐதமா.
I'll give it to her, mom. I think I'll give her today. No dropping down.
We're doing contracts, right?
Okay.
யா
Oh, my.
What?
Oh,
Revive
petting,
பண்ணல
you
இவனை.
know, Amma. She's being petted by Sarah Sania more than anyone of us. Amma. Yeah.
Be careful.
பாத்தேன்.
Acha, mom. She's a
I'm
bit
having
cranky.
aimbot, man. He can't do
I'll
anything.
just go. Ma, see myself. How is she like? Pa.
நான் LM எடுத்துட்டியா?
ஆமா.
You should say bye to BB. I should say BB, is it? Hi,
This build is
Ashley.
very good. You know, there's no recoil.
Hi, baby.
Does
Alisha,
high
say hi.
damage, 7.62 caliber. ADS பண்ணினா கதை முடிஞ்சதுடா.
Hi. Alisha, say clap hands, Alisha. Clap.
வண்டி எங்க போயிடுச்சு? பேக் இறங்கி இருக்கான் கணேஷ்.
என்ன யாரோ அடிக்கிறாங்க.
ரோப்ல வரான்
So
பாரு.
she's saying come.
Spotted a redeploy drone.
Yeah.
எந்தரா பாக்குது நான்
Sure.
What? Why?
I need to say hi.
He's right here.
Movement here.
Please help
Acha,
me.
mom. Okay, mom. Khuda Hafiz. I'll let you know, mom, huh? Khuda Hafiz.
My god.
Ah. Acha, mom. Khuda Hafiz, huh?
Are you guys here or you guys ran away?
No, I am here. Hey man, they mauled me, man. These guys. There are 3 of them.
The enemy's about to complete their objective. Shut them down.
Behind over there?
Yeah.
Be advised,
The
enemy attack
place where I was about to take the contract.
Oh, that place. Somebody in the water.
Your squad mate's carrying critical intel. Secure them to the designated uplink station to transfer the data. Upload has started. Set security.
Imran, she's taking all your stuff.
Put it back inside.
Upload finished. Contract complete.
And go and come. Hmm?
Watch your damn fire! Careful, area's hot.
சாப்பர் யாரையும் சுட்டுட்டு இருக்கு.
வண்டி எடுத்துட்டு போலாம்.
As you come, let's leave your push.
Hidden guys.
பாட்ஸ் வராங்க
Enemies
நினைக்கிறேன்.
dropping into the AO.
As you come,
Is that a bot?
change your sensor. Let's go out.
ஐ திங்க் பாட். சாப்பர் அடிக்குது.
Yeah, Baba. Come here, come here, keep your answer. Really? You know?
வராங்கடா.
Go to Turkey and get it out. Or go to
Enemy soldier incoming.
India is also much cheaper. 150,000 back and over.
No plates. He has no plates.
Turkey will cost you a lot. Come, come, come.
Where'd he go?
Stand down. We failed the objective.